Yes, people, hope you are all doing well. I would just like to say, this is going to be my last short until after Christmas. I am going to be doing one more live stream. I also have the audio fixed for that, lol, but just wanted to say what a year we have had. I can't thank you all enough for tuning into my videos and streams. Next year we are going to take over. I have a few things brewing for 2026, but until then, people, I hope you all have a good Christmas. Hope Santa is all good to you, and I will see you on the 28th of December.